All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the landscape 5x7 inch photo preset. Okay, so first thing I want to do is go to Google Chrome or Firefox. I'm using Firefox in this example. We're going to grab an image that we're going to use for the 5x7 preset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this Hoover Dam wallpapers on Wallpaper Safari. Click on that. It's kind of a cool looking image. And then what we're going to do is right click on this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is right click on this and we're going to save the image as. We'll save it to the desktop and then we'll close out this site here. Minimize Firefox and go to that image and right click and open with Photoshop. Okay, so now we have the image open. Now what we're going to do is go to File, New, and we're going to do Photo, View All Presets, and we'll do Landscape 5x7. Okay, and I'll hit Create. Then what I'm going to do is File, Save As, and we'll do 03. And instead of Landscape 8x7, we'll do this. All right, now let's go to File, Save As, and we'll do 03, Landscape 5x7. Okay, I'll hit Save. Then I'm going to go to this image here. I'm going to Control A, Control C, go to 03 Landscape 5x7, Control V. Paste that in, and then we'll drag this down to the resolution that you want. And there you go. And so I'm going to hit Control S to save that. We'll zoom out. And you can see that's the size of the image, and it looks very good. And not only that, but this is an easy way to create a landscape version of a photo that you want to use. Okay? So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.